Wagwan, it's LeekaJai. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Styl'inThrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. I picked up this dress in the thrift store and absolutely loved the colors. So in today's DIY, I'll be showing you how I transform this dress from the left to the dress on the right. This DIY is a bit different from the ones I've done in the past. Once I have the dress on, that's when I will mark my adjustments. Once I've marked that, I will lay the dress on a flat surface and cut the places that I've marked. So first I cut the middle down so I could show a bit more cleavage, then onto the arms to lower it a bit. Once I've done all my cutting out, I will bring the dress to my sewing machine and just sew the hemlines off those cut, so it's not just showing a raw cut line. So now I'm going to try the dress on to make sure that I've cut it properly and I don't have to make any more adjustments. As you can see to the side, I have pinned it because I want to put a ruffle on the side of the dress. Okay, now that I'm happy with the first cuts I've made, now I can cut out the split and go ahead and hem it up as well. To get the ruffle on the side of the dress, all I did was sew it together. Since I don't want that sewing to show, I'm going to put a button on top of the bundle so that it can hide the sewing. Now the final step is to go back and cut off all the excess material that I have from hemming the dress. Once I've done that, the dress is ready to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you do, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Liked how the dress came out, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.